So it was a Detroit rapper that was stranded on the side of the road with his CyberTruck. Here's the video.
Fuck. Nigga, I'm in the middle of traffic, bro. Would you look at this shit, bro? Look. I can't. Everything is locked. CyberTruck deactivated. Look at this shit, bro. Cars all on the side of me, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I gotta call Tesla, bro. What the fuck? Bro. Like, what the fuck? I can't move the car, bro. I'm stranded as fuck. Hell no, bro.
Might just pull up CyberTruck. I ain't
Hey, listen. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the thing, right? When this video first came out, it was so many people, so many news articles and everything out there about Tesla, you know, the CyberTruck just shut down for no freaking reason on the side of the road. And everybody was like, yeah, see, there we go. Tesla, Elon, the same old shenanigans over and over again. And then after about a few hours, probably like maybe a half a day went by, and then this comes out, right? The video. So this guy made a CyberTruck music video. And in this video, he's talking about some crazy stuff, right? The street life, girls with big butts, pretty much all the worst of the worst things. And then, again, the title of the video is called CyberTruck. So those of you that are in the media, y'all understand. If I type in CyberTruck on Google, if I type in CyberTruck anywhere, 9 times out of 10, this thing is probably gonna come up because that's the title of his music video, CyberTruck. And before he got that alert that, you know, your CyberTruck has been whatever, I'm pretty sure they gave him warnings long before this. They probably told him, hey, take that video down, rename it. Like you probably got a few options before we got to this point. Don't try to make it seem like, yo, I gotta call Tesla. No, I'm pretty sure they done contacted you. They done let you know, take that mother loving video down, change the name of it or whatever, because listen, we're not getting behind this street life BS that you talking about. We can't rock with that, fam. I encourage y'all to go and check out that video. For anybody that's saying, you know, he bought the truck, he can do whatever it is that he want to do with it. I encourage you to go and check out that music video. And I want you to ask yourself this, right? If you had a product or something that you put out there into the world or whatever, and you know and you understand media, you know how, you know, CyberTruck or whatever the name of your business, the name of your company or whatever it is, you put something out there into the world and somebody comes behind you and start talking about drugs, they start talking about all of this other crazy nonsense. You telling me that you wouldn't, hey, listen, take that mess down or rename your video. I don't mind you know, buying a car and doing whatever it is you want to do, but don't mess up our marketing dollars. Don't mess up our product. Don't give our product a bad name by doing stuff like that, man. Seriously, because we don't endorse this mess. And I'm pretty sure, again, that Tesla probably told him, yo, you got options. Before you go out here on that freeway today, you need to know and understand that we don't back this, and we're politely telling you, this is what you need to do, all right? You ain't gonna do what you wanna do in something that we done built, all right? We can shut that thing down at any time, man. It's a computer, and we can just hit a button and shut all of that mess down. But I wanna hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think about this particular video? Because, again, what was circulating, what was going on or whatever, was everybody was basically saying that this is why you can't trust, you know, Teslas, you can't trust Elon or whatever, is because these cars are shut down at any given moment. No. I've had my car for almost 5 years, have not had any of these issues because I'm not doing this mess. But I want to hear from y'all. Y'all let me know down in the comments, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.